How to fix Instagram auto post when possible. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll let you guys know the ways to fix Instagram auto post when possible. To fix Instagram auto post issue, you could try resetting your connection. So for that, you could check your internet connection or maybe restart your router. That should be able to fix the issue as well. If not, you could also try reinstalling the app. So for that, you just have to go ahead and then open up your Play Store. And then on the search box, you want to type in Instagram and uninstall the application. Once you've done it, so you reinstall it, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. If that's not the case, what else you could also do is you could also try rescheduling the media. So for that, you just want to go ahead and open up your Instagram application, and let's go ahead and locate the particular media that you've recently posted or that has been in the auto post feature. Now you just want to swipe the media and resave it to schedule it, upload the same image again and reschedule the auto post. This way you should be able to fix the Instagram auto post when possible. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.